Hi everyone, how are you children? Class 12. Okay, come to the point. In the last class, already discussed about question number 1 to 3rd. In question number 4, if A is equal to this, B is equal to, and C is equal to dash, then compute A plus B and B minus C. Also verify that A plus B minus C and A plus B minus C. It's a very simple question. This is the just like addition of matrices, and second B minus C subtraction of matrices. So note the A matrices and B matrices. First of all, add both of two matrices, and the next process, subtract from B to C. Okay, after that you also verify the given condition. It's a very simple question, so solve yourself at your home, student. And question number 5, A is equal to B is equal to given, then compute 3A minus 5B. So in A matrices, first of all multiply by 3, and in B matrices multiply by 5. We got new matrices, the product of 3A and product of 5B. After this calculation, you subtract from 3A to 5B. Okay, answer is totally solved and very simple. So finally, initially, first of all solve yourself at your home. And question number 6, simplify trigonometric matrices. Okay, so I solve question number 6, simplify solution the given matrix is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta plus again sin theta, arrow bracket, sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta, then sin theta, arrow diagram is closed. No problem. This is also addition of matrices. This is the plus sign. So first of all simplify this box and order pair of 2 cross 2. So don't worry, because order pairs are same. First of all multiply by cos theta in this matrices and sin theta multiply in second matrices box. So here cos means cos square theta, and again cos sin means sin theta cos theta. Here again minus sin theta and cos theta and cos square theta in first matrices box, and plus multiply by sin theta sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, sin theta means sin square theta and second matrices. This is the plus sign. So there are 2 cross 2 order pair. So add cos square theta plus sin square theta in orderly manner, sin square theta plus cos square theta, and here sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus minus cancel. So matrices element is 0. Again minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta cancel out means 0. Cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. All of you know na? So 1 0 0 1. the answer of question number second. Very simple. And next, after question number 6, question number 7, find x and y. Okay, good question. Making two equations 1 and 2, then solve and find the value of x and y. Okay, this question also I solved. Okay, 7 solution, 7 first part solution. Find x and y if the condition is given. The condition is given what? X plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. And another condition, x minus y is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. Finally find the value of x and y. Simply first of all allot the equation number. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. When find the value of x, so equation number 1 and 2 both adding, then plus y minus y cancel out. Okay, so adding both equation are both matrices, adding both equation 1 and 2, then we get कॉलम वाइज स्क्वायर करिए, जैसे स्क्वायर करेंगे प्लस वाई माइनस वाई कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, एक्स एक्स टू कैपिटल एक्स, बिकॉज कैपिटल मेंशन करिए क्योंकि मैट्रिसेस के सिंबल को कैपिटल से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है। और ये 2 ऑर्डर 2 का पेयर है, स्क्वायर कर लीजिए सिंपली 7 + 3 10, 2 0 सॉरी 0 + 0 0 एंड 2 0 2, 5 + 3 8. ओके, तो 2 क्रॉस x की वैल्यू 10 0 2 8, नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड हियर 2x इज इक्वल टू दिस मैट्रिसेस बॉक्स, बट वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू ट्रांसफर करेंगे 1/2 कन्वर्ट में हो जाएगा इन मैट्रिसेस 10 2 0 8. अगेन मैट्रिसेस बॉक्स के बाहर जो चीज़ डिवाइड में है उसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली 10/2 मीन्स 5, 0/2 मीन्स 0, 2/2 1, 8/2 4. This is the main value of x. This is the main value of x element. And then find the value of y. So value of x in putting in first condition, x is equal to this, putting in first equation. Okay, value of x is 5 0 1 4 and plus y is equal to 7 0 2 5. Y transfer, y is equal to 7 0 2 5 and this matrix is converted to minus 5 0 1 4. Again 7 minus 5 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 1 means 1, 5 minus 4 means 1. This is the value of y. 5 0, this is the value of y. 2 0 1 1. Okay, this is the right matrices element. Okay, any problem? Understood all of you? The very simple question. 7 second part, same as usual, solve this method. Question number 8, Question number 8, very simple. Find x if y is equal to this and 2x plus y is equal to also this. It's a very simple condition. Question number 9, find the x and y if these conditions are given. Question number 10, question number 11 and 12. All these questions are same pattern. Okay, solve your question at your home. And question number 9, okay, question number 9 also I solve on this class. But after that, utilize your Sunday, student. Utilize your Sunday and solve all the items in exercise 3.2. Otherwise, rest of question solve from my side in the next class. But after next class, exercise 3.2 totally finished. Okay, so don't waste time, utilize your Sunday and solve this exercise. Again, question number 9. And children, आप मुझसे कुछ बात करना भी चाह रहे हो रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चंस के रिस्पेक्ट में, एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेरी, then use your school website e-solution. Okay, write your comments, doubts, etc. Okay, I will solve. Question number 9, single part solution. Find x and y if condition is given. The condition is given. Two matrices 1 3 0 x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. Okay, so no problem. First of all, solve this matrices box. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0, 2x plus, as usual, note y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. This is 2 cross 2 order pair. Okay, the addition of two matrices. 2 plus y, 6 plus 0 means 6, 0 plus 1 means 1, 2x plus 2, 2x plus is equal to 5 6 1 8. Tally the elements and compare the elements. Okay, 2 plus y is equal to 5, understood, and 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. Then y is equal to 5 minus 2 means 3, and 2x is equal to 8 minus 2, then 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3 also. So value are same, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 are same. Okay children, I hope and all of you I hope solve every items at your home, exercise 3.3 as well as soon, and question number 11 12 as usual, and question number 13 the good condition fx and fy. This is the product of elements and addition of element, the combination of two quality and two properties, addition of matrices and product of matrices. Okay, but in question number 14 no problem, it's a very simple question. Use the properties and solve this question. Question number 15 16 17 and 19, this is the good question. Okay, in the next class this question solve on whiteboard in front of you. Okay, but जहाँ तक हो सके मैक्स टू मैक्स आप अपनी पॉसिबिलिटी करिए कि क्वेश्चन आपसे सॉल्व हो जाए. ओके, सो वंस अगेन I request you utilize your Sunday and complete this exercise at your home. I hope. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, your children.